Before you begin, connect your scanner to the network. Tap Settings, Web Service Settings, Epson Connect Services, Register, then Start Setup. When you see this screen, enter the displayed URL in your web browser to access the Epson Connect site. Enter the authentication code displayed on the scanner's control panel. When you see this screen, click Next. Follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create a new Epson Global ID or add the scanner to an existing account. Access your Epson Connect user page. Click Scan to Cloud, then Destination List. Click Add. Select the cloud destination you want to add. Then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can enter a display name and description, then click OK. Repeat this process if you want to add additional cloud destinations. Load your document in the scanner. Tap Cloud, then tap this icon. Select your cloud destination. Adjust your scan settings or your advanced settings as needed. If you want to save these settings as a preset, tap this icon. Tap Start to begin scanning.